Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavathyamal, Assistant Professor from AIDS Department. Our subject code is CRA332 and subject title is Drone Technologies. Unit-1 topic name is Drone Concept. What is drone? An unmanned aerial vehicle, that is UAV or uncrewed aerial vehicle, is commonly known as a drone. Drone is an aircraft without any human pilot, crew or passengers on board. Then UAVs are a component of unmanned aircraft system which include additionally on a ground-based controller and a system of communications with the UAV. This diagram is represented as the parts of drone. Then parts of drone, the first one is key parts. From an engineer point of view, the key parts of a drone system are the hardware, software and mechanical elements. Hardware is the electrical part of the drone system, which is eventually a PCBA, that is printed circuit board assembly. Then hardware is a multi-layer PCB that accommodates the SoC, that is system on a chip, and different components of the subsystems interconnected through copper traces, that is part of the PCB or physical wire. Then SoC, that is meant as system on a chip. Then subsystems. Subsystems are electrical subsystems or technologies required in a system to fulfill the intended usage of the system. Then input, a touch panel, keyboard, mouse, microphone, camera, sensor and remote control are some examples of input devices of a system. Then output, display, speaker, motor, fan and LEDs are some examples of output devices of a system. Then storage, memory, flash and hard disk drive, optical drive, secure digital and solid state drive are some examples of the storage devices of a system. Then communication devices, wired LAN, that is local area network, then wireless LAN, mobile networks, that is 3G, 4G and LTE, GPS, global positioning system and USB are some examples of the communication devices of a system. Then software, there are 4 categories of software that need to use the drone system. The first one is firmware components, then OS and drives, then sensing, navigation and control, then application specific component. Thank you.